go. Johnnycoldcut's box 12-13 in the game Draft Prospects. Good luck to you, sir. Okay, what are we down to? 19 left in that one now? 19, if I'm not mistaken. All right, base card, Jordan Subban. Matthew Dumba. Emerald number /50, Sergei Fedorov. Nikita Zadorov. Peter Forsberg. Dale Howardchuk. Nicholas Patan. We've got a draft year jersey silver, Jeremy Roenick. We've got a future prospect jersey silver, Travis Konecny. We've got an autograph of Mirko Mueller. Nice. Autograph of Sean Monahan. Auto. And an autograph gold number /20, Ryan Kujawinski. The Cooj. Now for the bonus pack, starting with the All-Stars. Lemieux, Hopkins, Yager. Ovechkin, Spezza, Alfredson. Lemieux, Nuge, Lidstrom. Now the Upper Deck Universals. We've got a base gold, Thomas Vanek. We've got a rookie gold, Cody Golubev. Schwartz, Kane, Berchi. Fan Expo pets. Got a rookie /599, Justin Schultz. Got a base of Dougie Gilmore and a cracked ice rookie, number /25, EJ Manuel. And we got a rookie /599, Leo Komarov. And your bonus hit from the Decades box was a game used jersey silver, Dominik Hasek. So there we go, buddy.